I will talk about how can you change to light mode on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this in your settings here. Then you go down here, you just keep going down, you click here on settings here, you just click on it. Then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to theme here, you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on light theme here, then you click on done. So then automatically it's going to change with you here to light mode on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like